A pop-up drink stand needs about 2 to 3 full days of dedicated prep work before opening, covering supply sourcing, station setup, and a full practice run. Think of it like getting ready for a school bake sale, but bigger. First, you need to figure out exactly what drinks you are selling and buy every single ingredient with extra just in case, because running out on day one kills your momentum. Then you have to test your recipes multiple times so the taste is exactly the same every single time, since customers notice when a drink tastes different from the last time they bought it. Something most newsstand owners do not know is that ice is actually your biggest hidden cost and biggest hidden problem because it melts fast in heat, and you need way more than you think, sometimes double what you estimated. You also want to do a full dry run the day before opening, making drinks at full speed like customers are actually lined up, so you can time yourself and fix slow spots before real money is on the line. Setting up your tables, signage, and payment system the night before instead of morning of saves you from a stressful rushed opening. One common mistake is underestimating how much cash and card processing setup you need, so make sure your payment system is fully tested and charged the night before, not during your first sale. Another big one is forgetting permits or health department rules, since many cities require you to have a temporary food or beverage permit even for a small pop-up. So always call your local health department at least 2 weeks ahead. People also forget to plan for trash and cleanup, which gets messy fast, so set up a simple trash and recycling station right from the start so it never gets out of control during a rush. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.